How to make your perfect account in Pokemon Pocket. Creating the perfect account in Pokemon Pocket or similar mobile Pokemon games means focusing on building a powerful team, maximizing your resources, and understanding the game mechanics to stay ahead. So, first, you need to choose your starter Pokemon wisely. Depending on the game, you might get to pick a starting Pokemon. Select one that fits your playstyle. For example, Charmander is usually good choice for offense. Bulbasaur is well rounded with good defense and healing options, and you have the Squirtle. Has an excellent defensive skills and can balance your team. Catch and train that right Pokemon. Focus on the types that cover different elemental advantages. Ideally, build a mix of fire, water, grass, electric, and psychic to types to counter different opponents. And prioritize rare or shiny Pokemon as they often have stronger stats and unique abilities. And daily quest, the daily quest and events. Most games offer daily quests or timed events that give coins, rare items, or even Pokemon. Make sure that you complete these consistently to get maximum rewards. Invest in essential resources. Use in-game currency to buy items like boost coming on Pokemon stats like rare candies or experience booster. Avoid spending on cosmetic items early on. Focus on functional items instead, and train Pokemon effectively. Try to level up each Pokemon equally at first to keep balanced team. Use XP boosters to in training centers available in game to speed up leveling, and participate in PvP battles. PvP is one of the best ways to practice and improve. Plus, winning PvP matches often rewards you with exclusive items or ranking game rewards. And join a guild or a team. Many Pokemon games have a guild or team feature that lets you collaborate with other players and optimize moves and abilities. Each Pokemon has a unique moves and abilities. Check out the recommended builds or use your best moves strategically during battles, right? Make sure that your Pokemon have complementary moves. For instance, having a mix of offensive and defensive abilities can make your team more versatile. And stay updated with the game patches and updates. Developers sometimes introduce new features, balance changes, or events. Staying updated will help you adapt quickly and make the most of new content. So that's me in the comments with this video. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.